Alright guys, so today I'm going to be tossing in this throttle pedal because mine is really destroyed right now. It's being held together with like pliers here, and the pedal part's gone. So I'm going to toss this guy in today. I got it on eBay for like, I don't know, close to $100 or something like that. And yeah, it should be pretty straightforward. 2 connectors, one for a brake switch, one for the TPS, and 3 bolts. Toss it in, and I've been doing some stuff on the truck since like over the last few days that I haven't recorded, so we'll go there first. Okay, so on the weekend that I didn't record, I buffed and wet sanded the truck. It actually came out pretty shiny, like, and it's really smooth now. It feels really good. You won't be able to see it on camera here just because it's not that nice of a day. But I think the downfall of this paint job was the fact that I used clear coat. I think it actually would have came out better if I didn't use clear coat, mainly just because it went on so differently than the white. So I just sprayed it on too thick, and like I could technically sand it down and redo that top coat, but I mean, it is what it is. So that's what I learned from this one, is if I use clear coat in the future in another paint job, is I'm going to paint the truck the color I want, do the paint, and then let it dry for a couple days, then wet sand it and buff it, and then do the clear coat after, and then wet sand and buff that, and I think it would come out way better. But you learn something every time, so there's that. I retorqued all the wheels and the spacers. Nothing had come loose, but I just wanted to be safe. I retorqued the U-bolts. So everything's retorqued, everything's good to go. There was no problems with it. And yesterday at work, I did an oil change. Here's the quick look at my throttle pedal right now. It actually looks like that brake switch is kind of newer. I might jack that. But 3 bolts right there. It's pretty straightforward, and as you can see, there's like pliers, zip tied. Like, I don't, what's going on here? It's like holding that pin in, and the pedal's missing, and it's kind of a disaster. So I'm gonna get that out of there. Yeah. So I changed the oil yesterday at work because it was kind of slow, and the oil that came, these trucks, as you know, are supposed to take like a lot of oil. I think this one called for like 15 liters. My Cummins was about the same. So I traded the oil. I don't know exactly how much came out, but it was probably like less than 10 liters. It seemed like, anyway. And the drain plug wasn't even tight, like, at all. And the oil was just black, which, I mean, that's what I expect. I don't expect anything else from diesels. So anyways, I put Shell Rotella T4 in it and a little bit of oil additive, some Lucas oil, and the oil right now, like, if I check the dipstick, like, usually when I run a truck, like, yeah, it's still like brand new. So usually when I check my diesels after I do an oil change, it's like already black. That's the way they are. There's no way around that. But this one, oil's perfect. So this motor might not be totally screwed. I don't know. I was just pretty surprised by it, and she seems like she runs a lot better now, having like full oil in it and stuff. So yeah. So anyways, we're gonna get this throttle pedal out. Hopefully it goes nice and easy. I might jack that brake switch because it looks kind of new. I don't know, I'll pull the pedal out and see what I got. It looks like it already is an aftermarket TPS, so I may keep that as an extra. And also I'll take the brake switch. Yeah, I mean, honestly, this pedal doesn't even look in bad shape, but just got no pedal, and this pin up here is all screwed up, so I just need some wire cutters for that. Pedal is in, I lubed everything. It does actually seem to be a little bit smoother, so that's good. And yeah. So that's pretty much it. I guess, I mean, next thing that I had lined up is some lighting, which I've got a company sponsoring me for that, and the chip. I want to tint the windows. I don't know what's going to fall into place here. I don't really have that many more parts in the garage for this truck. For the last little while I've had all this stuff, but kind of running a bit low now. It's all came together. So yeah. One last look at the old pedal. Pretty wrecked. Get a free. I'm gonna leave these attached to it. Well, actually, no, there's no point. Free pair of adjustables though. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.